This is a 6x6 tractor. And this, you guys, it changes the game. Just watch what this thing does. I'm impressed. Okay, so this thing was revealed for the first time ever in Turkey, and it's called the Macrobat. The best thing about it is that this can be applied to just about any tractor. Right, check this out. Just when you think the tyres are fitted to the middle, they can be completely moved to the back. Forget Jeeps, take your tractor rock crawling. Look how he can control every wheel individually. This is pretty cool. Traditional tractors would not have a chance with this vertical climb. But look at him go. Almost there, come on, a bit more. Final push, let's do it. And he's up. That's not impressive, I don't know what is. So now we have situation number 2. Watch what he does. Alright, so this guy's now getting his tractor stuck in a ditch on purpose. Watch what he does with these wheels. And he's out. Easy as that.